my name is Nika and I'm from IULI Hotel Tourism Management 2019. And now in this video I want to present about my travel agency, the Luna Travel. Hope you like it and enjoy the video!
Welcome to the Luna Travel Agency. In this video, I would like to share about the Luna Travel. The Luna Travel provides religious tour package for tourists who want to visit pilgrimage or having a journey to religious cities around the world. The Luna Travel is located at central of Jogja near Malioboro Road. This is our unique selling proposition and our The Luna team who give 100% best quality service. First, we provide a trip to Pura Tanah Lot, Bali. Pura Tanah Lot, Bali is one of the famous destinations in Bali. It is a place of worship for Hindus. There are two packages. One is half-day private tour and the second one is inclusive tour. The Luna Travel provides an Islamic pilgrimage to Mecca. It's the holiest city for Muslims located in Hijaz region of Saudi Arabia. Our tour package is for 9 days, 2-day round trip, 3 days at Madinah, and 4 days at Mecca. Last one is Vatican Museum. Vatican Museum located at Vatican City State that is a must-visit place for tourists. We offer full-day package with skip line access and tour audio. Enjoy your trip with us and get a wonderful experience. For further information, you can contact us through Instagram, call, and website. Thank you.